Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A5 versus Mercedes CLA. We will delve into their performance capabilities, exploring engine options and driving dynamics. Next, we'll examine their luxurious interiors, focusing on technology and comfort features. Finally, we'll discuss their pricing and overall value, helping you decide which premium compact car best suits your needs. When it comes to performance, both the Audi A5 and Mercedes CLA offer compelling options. The A5 typically comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 201 horsepower. The CLA, on the other hand, boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that produces 221 horsepower. Both cars provide a refined and enjoyable driving experience, balancing power with comfort for daily commutes and spirited drives. Stepping inside, both vehicles showcase impressive luxury and technology. The Audi A5 features a 10.1-inch MMI touch display and a customizable virtual cockpit, offering a modern and intuitive interface. The Mercedes CLA counters with its 10.25-inch MBUX infotainment system, known for its voice control and sleek design. Both models provide high-quality materials and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety and convenience. Considering value, the Audi A5 typically starts around $46,000 for its base model, offering a blend of sophistication and performance. The Mercedes CLA generally begins at approximately $43,000, providing a stylish entry into the luxury compact segment. Your choice depends on personal preference for design, driving feel, and specific features. Don't forget to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.